family, you're welcome back to my channel. It's Ifeobi. In this video, I'm going to be taking you through my wash day routine from the first step to the last step, and I'm also going to show you the products I use. If this is your first time stopping by my channel, why don't you subscribe to my channel? Why don't you turn on that post notification button so that anytime I post, you're not going to miss any of my videos. Pre-poo is pre-shampooing, and it's very important to pre-poo before shampooing your hair. So pre-poo is very important. Never miss to do your overnight pre-poo before shampooing stage. So I'm going to introduce to you the products I'm going to be using to wash my hair. As for my shampoo, I'm going to be using Creme of Nature. I love this shampoo. I love everything about the shampoo. The fragrance is out of this world. And another reason why I make use of this shampoo is that it is sulfate free. My conditioner, I'm going to be making use of Creme of Nature Professional Conditioner. And for my deep conditioning, I'm making use of this Organics by Africa's Best. I'm going to be making use of this. It's very good for damaged, weak hair. I'm making use of my long rich salt sheep placenta salt milk. This is what I'm going to be using for my leave-in conditioner. My steaming cap to steam my hair. I'm just going to be shampooing my hair right here in a very easy way. And I'm going to start firstly by spritzing my hair with a bit of water. I'm just going to spritz my hair a bit, and I'm going to work with my hair section by section. Do not forget that. Once you are on natural hair, you work with your hair section by section. I'm going to work with this section, so I'm just going to put these ones in, I've put them aside, and I'm just going to start working with these ones. I don't want to get into the bathroom and start wetting my hair, and so I'm just going to work with my hair like this. I'm going to start by spritzing my hair with water. I have my shampoo. Nice. I'm just going to work that in on my scalp, like so. And I make sure to massage it in and also scrub my scalp. Section, I'm just going to twist it back up, my shampoo in it, and when I'm done with that section, I'm just going to go in with the next one. Make sure to focus on your scalp when shampooing your hair. So I'm just going to
shampooing in my hair because I'm going to go off camera to do this section.
So I grab a twist, I take it out, I kind of use my hand to finger detangle for easy application of my shampoo. Then I go in with my spray bottle to make the process easier for me and to make the soap to lather on my hair. I just spray a bit of water, or a lot of water actually. I go in with my shampoo like so, and I'm going to run my shampoo from the roots of my hair down to the rest. If your hair is longer than mine, you don't have to have a lot of twists. You can just make like 10, 6 if possible. So I'm going to be washing my shampoo off my hair. I'm going to show you the perfect way to wash your hair. Guys, when I'm done from the shower and washing the shampoo off, my hair feels squeaky clean. It feels nice and still moisturized because of the pre-poo I did a night before. So I'm just going to go in with my Creme of Nature conditioner. So I'm just going to finger detangle while I'm applying the conditioner. I'm going to use my comb to detangle it. Then I'm going to twist this up. I'm going to take other section of my hair. Oops. And I'm going to do the exact same thing. So I'm just going to go ahead and take a bit of it again and just do the general application. So guys, when I'm done applying this to my hair, I'm just going to cover my hair for 10 minutes with a plastic bag so that the intensive conditioner can do its job. And I'm just going to go ahead and use my hair bonnet so that it can work better. So I'll see you in 10. This is 10 minutes. I'm going to take off my satin bonnet and plastic bag. Feels good. So I'm just going to go to the bathroom. I'm just going to wash out this conditioner. I've washed it out, and the last process I'm going to be going through is making use of my protein treatment. So I'm just going to go in with that. For my steaming, and my steaming cap has the adjustment rope. I'm sure you saw when I was trying to struggle to put it on, but it has an adjustment rope. So I'm just going to adjust it from here. So I'll just take it as wide as I want. I'm just going to tie it back. So guys, this is like my last stage. So I'm going to be putting this on, and I'm going to be staying inside it for 30 minutes. So I'm just going to be doing that off camera, but I'm going to put it to the highest. So guys, after 30 minutes, I'm just going to take off my plastic bag, and I'm just going to rinse off my hair. After rinsing off my hair, I'm going to go in with my salt cream as my leave-in conditioner. I watched the other video. It looks like you guys didn't see the name. So after washing off my deep conditioner, I'm just going to go in with my salt cream as my leave-in conditioner, and I'm just going to apply this to every section of my hair and leave it that way to dry. guys, after applying my leave-in conditioner, I'm just going to leave my hair to dry like this. Thank you so much guys for staying with me till the end of this video. If you enjoyed this video, kindly give me a thumbs up. If this is your first time watching a video of mine or you've watched some the subsequent ones, kindly subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and I am going to see you on my next video. Bye.